Indian kitchens are where you make the most tasty and diverse dishes. Dishes filled with aroma and also smoke. Not anymore. Here's a revolution in the Indian culinary experience. Presenting Kitchen Appliances by Sleek, India's modular kitchen expert from Asian Paints. Choose from multiple appliances best suited for Indian conditions and cooking. Own the latest filterless chimneys and have kitchen walls free of oil stains. The elegant Terra has a super high suction capacity of 1600 cubic meters per hour. Tupelo, the silent chimney, absorbs smoke better. The Ventura is not just finely designed but is also equipped with dual suction. The oil collector can be removed and cleaned easily. The classy Cypress comes in an aesthetic black color and a heat auto clean feature. Masaledar food can now be cooked without worry. Sleek offers you a wide range of hobs, hobtops and cooktops. Introducing the Sleek Hobtops, a versatile product that can be used as a cooktop too. The Sleek Hobtops are equipped with toughened glass and a special ergonomic placement of burners. Sleek hobs Libra and Virgo are fitted inside the countertop for added elegance. The rubber sealing prevents water intrusion and makes it easy to clean countertops. Introducing built-in appliances from Sleek. Simplify your culinary experience right away. Our Eric Plus oven is preloaded with 10 cooking functions. It gives you the luxury of grilling food from both sides. Exclusive to Sleek, the Keith microwave gives you the additional advantage of steaming. Reeve, the built-in refrigerator, comes with a fresh cooling and energy-saving mechanism. Gift yourself ease and your kitchen a new look with Sleek appliances, thoughtfully designed for you. Sleek by Asian Paints, India's modular kitchen expert.